Hey there crafters, I'm Beth and I am back today from Crafty Corner to show you how to label school supplies with your Cricut. We will be doing 3 different techniques today: vinyl, infusible ink, and print and cut stickers. Let's get started. This is what I will be labeling today. We have a pencil box that I will be putting vinyl on. I will be using print then cut to make labeling stickers for the markers. And then I'm putting infusible ink on this reusable snack baggie. The first thing I need to do is measure all of our objects to know how big to make my different labels. Over in Design Space, I like to make a template. I grab a square in shapes here and size it to the measurement from the pencil box. And I'm going to change the color to purple to see it a little better. I'm going to select text and type the name. And choose a font. I am going to size it to fit in my template a little better and align it in the center. Next, I want each letter a different color, so I'm going to select the name and click on Advanced, and then Ungroup to Letters. This allows each letter to be a different layer. All right, this one is all set, and I'm going to make the template for the snack bag. I am going to type the name again and select a font. I don't like the spacing between the letters of this font, so I am going to again ungroup to letters. Then I can move them to where I like. After they are where I like, I can select each letter and then hit attach. Lastly, I'm going to create my print and cut stickers. I am going to search in images for label. You can really pick whatever shape you're looking for, but I knew I was going to be pretty small, so I wanted a pretty simple shape. I changed the color and sized it down. I wanted just the outer layer, so I hid the other layers. Again, I'm going to select text and type her name. And pick a font. I will then size that and change the color. I also picked a cute mermaid and sized it within the label. I select all the layers and click on Flatten. Then I duplicate it as many times as I need. Before I hit Make It, I am going to hide the templates. After hitting Make It, I'm going to change the size of the material to tell it that I have 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Also, for the Infusible ink mat, I will hit Mirror. While still on this mat, I'm going to click Continue. I will select Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet and select More Pressure. Next, I will place the Infusible ink on a standard grip mat with my brayer. Then load and cut. When it's done cutting, I will read the design. Here I have my Easy Press set to 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 seconds. I will place a piece of cardstock inside the bag to protect the other side. The zipper is going to cause us an issue, so I slide the bag up so that the zipper is hanging off the edge of the pressing mat. I take the Infusible ink and place it on the baggie. Then place a piece of parchment over the top and place my Easy Press on top. And then click the Go button. When it's done heating, place the Easy Press back in its base. I carefully remove the Infusible ink, being sure to lift straight up. Next up is the pencil case. I want to only use one mat for all 4 colors, so I am going to move each letter all to one mat. I will select my material as premium vinyl. I cut squares of my vinyl just bigger than my letters and place them in the correct corners on my mat. I then load the mat into my Cricut and cut. And weed. And place on the pencil case using transfer tape. Next up is the labeling stickers. We will first print the stickers on printable vinyl, then place that on a standard grip mat and load it into the Cricut. The Cricut will first read the registration marks, which are the black lines in the corners. Then it will cut out the stickers. After it's done cutting, all that is left is to peel it off just like a sticker and place it on the markers. Thank you so much for crafting with me today and labeling these school supplies. If you're looking for some Cricut material to do the same, check out Craft-e-Corner.com. If you're looking for more Cricut videos, check this one out. And do not forget to subscribe to see all of our awesome videos.